Hey guys, it's David from Guys with Games. Today I want to show you a great vocabulary game where you can change the level of the vocabulary depending on your students' capabilities and make it more difficult or easier. Now make sure to stick around to the end of this game because I'm going to give you a second variation on how you can play this game a little bit more controlled and peacefully. But the game is called Backs to the Board, and what you're going to want to do is have a vocabulary list of your students. And how I split it up is 500, 300, 100 points, okay? Usually 100 points are your easier words. So something, let's say like apple. Apple would go probably in my 100 points. It's easy to describe. Red, fruit, a horse eats it, you know? So apple would go down here. Something more difficult to describe, maybe, I don't know, building. Like it's a lot harder, so I will put it towards the top of the pyramid. What you're gonna wanna do is split your class into 2 teams and have one student from each team come up and they've got their back to the board. Then you're going to start writing their vocabulary words up here. And then when you say go, each team will start speaking to their teammate, trying to get them to say the word on the whiteboard. Now make sure to tell them that they cannot speak in their native language. They cannot do signs like this, like, oh, hot, hot. Like, don't do signs because then that kind of gives it away. They have to use their words. So no native language, no signs, and let me think, is there anything else? Oh, and they definitely cannot say the word. So you can't say, it's with milk, coffee, and the word is coffee, okay? So I'm gonna have my crew come up here and we're gonna play around. All right, so I'm gonna play the role of teacher and I'm also Carson's partner, and Jimena is gonna be Dustin's partner. We're gonna be describing the words that we see on the board. As the teacher, I'm going to be crossing off the words as Carson and Dustin say them and giving their team the amount of points that they've earned for saying the words. All right, are you ready?
Ready.
All right, go.
Okay,
so it's a holiday and Christmas.
Kind of like that.
Tropical.
Yes. Okay.
So you ride on this to go.
No,
yes.
I'm on a cycle.
What do you ride with your kid?
You ride to Taipei with it.
Bus, train.
Train, ding ding ding.
To the doctor.
Oh, sorry.
No, we got
okay. No, we okay. Let's see here. Yeah, we can look. So their team got 800, 1,000 points, and we got 400 points. But the thing is, I was playing double duty. Otherwise, they would not have won. Okay, so that's how you do it, and you can see that Jimena went straight for the 500-point word. Which is a huge advantage. The students can go for whatever word that they feel comfortable describing, but it's all English, and yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys the second variation. We're gonna play this game again, but this time there's only one word that Carson and Dustin are competing to say, so their team will get a star or point, however you do it, if they're the first one to say the word. It's a lot more controlled because they can listen to either team describe the word, so you don't have everyone shouting different definitions of different things. So we're gonna get ready. Let's describe the word.
Okay,
it's a sport.
That's really popular.
That's basketball.
It's a sport that's popular in America. It's America's
baseball.
Yes.
We won! Yes, I didn't have to play teacher this time, so we won. I'm just kidding. Okay, so that is Backs to the Board. 2 variations for you in your classes. I hope you guys have a great week, and see you next time.